Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and realizing that you made money while you were sleeping. No overtime, no second job, and no working late nights. Just smart income streams quietly generating money in the background. As the cost of living continues to rise across Canada, more people are looking for simple ways to earn extra income without sacrificing all of their time.
The good news is that in 2026, there are several passive income opportunities that beginners can start online with very little investment. In today's video, you're going to discover 5 powerful passive income ideas that Canadians are using to build additional income streams and move closer to financial freedom. And one of these ideas might completely change the way you think about earning money.
One of the most popular passive income methods today is affiliate marketing. This business model allows you to promote products or services online and earn a commission whenever someone purchases through your referral link. Many creators build websites, YouTube channels, or social media pages where they recommend useful tools and products. When someone clicks their link and buys the product, they receive a percentage of the sale. Another powerful passive income opportunity is creating digital products. Digital products include things like ebooks, templates, guides, checklists, or even small online courses that people can download instantly. The biggest advantage of digital products is that you create them once, but can sell them unlimited times without additional production costs. For example, someone who understands budgeting, investing, studying techniques, or freelancing could turn their knowledge into a simple digital guide and sell it online. Many creators today generate consistent monthly income by selling helpful digital products to their audience. Content creation has also become one of the fastest growing ways to build long-term passive income. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and social media allow creators to earn money through advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. One of the most interesting parts of content creation is that a single video or article can continue generating income for a long time. Even channels that never show a face can grow successfully if the content is helpful and engaging. Many faceless channels use voiceovers, stock footage, and educational information to attract viewers and build loyal audiences. Another beginner-friendly passive income idea is print on demand. This business model allows you to create designs that can be printed on products, such as t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases. Instead of producing these products yourself, a print-on-demand company handles the printing, packaging, and shipping whenever a customer places an order. Your role is simply to create attractive designs and list them in an online store. When someone buys the product, the company produces and ships it while you keep a portion of the profit. Once your designs are uploaded and available online, they can continue generating income whenever customers place orders. Investing is another method many people use to build passive income over time. Some investors place their money in dividend-paying stocks or exchange-traded funds that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. These dividend payments can provide a steady stream of income while your investments continue growing in value. While investing requires patience and research, it has historically been one of the most effective ways to build long-term financial stability. It is important to remember that passive income rarely appears overnight. Many people begin these opportunities expecting immediate results, but most successful income streams take time to grow. Whether it is building an audience, publishing helpful content, or creating digital products, consistency is one of the most important factors for long-term success. People who remain patient and continue improving their strategies are the ones who usually see the best results. Another important step is choosing an income idea that fits your interests and strengths. Someone who enjoys teaching might do well creating educational content or writing digital guides. Someone who enjoys design might succeed with print on demand or digital products.
When people choose a path that matches their skills and interests, it becomes much easier to stay motivated and keep moving forward even when progress feels slow at the beginning.
The digital economy has created opportunities that did not exist just a few years ago. Today, almost anyone with internet access can start building an online asset that generates income. Many people are now focusing on creating multiple streams of income instead of relying on a single paycheck. Even small amounts of passive income can make a big difference over time by helping people cover expenses, save more money, or invest for the future. Before we finish, remember that building passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It is about creating smart systems that continue working for you over time. Small actions taken today can eventually grow into powerful income streams in the future. The people who succeed financially are not always the ones who start with the most money, but the ones who take action, stay consistent, and keep learning along the way. If you found this video helpful and learned something new about passive income ideas for Canadians in 2026, make sure to subscribe and stay connected for more practical ideas, smart money strategies, and opportunities that can help you build financial freedom step by step. Also, share in the comments which passive income idea you are most interested in starting, because your journey might inspire someone else to begin theirs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to Jenny. Let's get started on your creative journey with our newest Pro V2 voices, the most natural, expressive, and directable voices in the world.
You can direct how I act by adding directions in square brackets at the beginning of the script like this. You can control the emotions, speed, accent, and even describe a character and situation that you would like me to play.
Ho, ho, ho! Every day is a holiday with Jenny's Pro V2 voices. Check out all 30 amazing Pro V2 voices by clicking on my profile image or clicking on Change Voice button. Happy creating! Ho, ho, ho!